Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our last exercise of chapter 4, practice set 21. Before starting this practice set 21, it is based on exterior angle of a triangle. So let us study what is exterior angle of a triangle and its property, because this exercise is based on that. Property of an exterior angle says the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angles. This is the property. Now let me explain you. Suppose this is a triangle. I will name it as ABC. This is one triangle ABC. Now if I extend any of its sides, suppose I am extending this sorry, if I extending from C, I have extended. These are the angles of a triangle. But if I extend it from the C, I get one more angle outside this triangle. Outside the triangle. This angle, suppose here I will name it as D. This angle which is formed outside the triangle, that angle is called as an exterior angle. That angle is called as exterior angle of a triangle. So here triangle is ABC and I have extended it from C. So I got this outside angle ACD, and one more angle inside it is there ACB. This is inside ACB, and this ACD is outside the triangle. That is why it is called as exterior angle of a triangle. You can extend it from B also, children. If I extend from B, I can get this as exterior angle. If I extend it from A, I can get this as exterior angle. So you can extend it all the three sides. So here I have extended C. So I have got this as exterior angle, angle ACD. But ACB, this angle is inside the triangle. And this ACD, angle ACD is an exterior angle. It is an exterior angle. Okay children, similarly if I extend from B, I will get this as exterior angle. If I extend it from A, I will get this as exterior angle. So three exterior angles you will get. Now children, what is the property? That's measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum. Sum means total of which it is equal the sum of measure of its remote interior angles. Now what are these remote interior angles? This exterior angle ACD, it is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Now what are its remote interior angles? See, if this ACD is exterior angle, this C is inside. So you leave this angle C, leaving this C, you will get two more angles of this triangle. So these are the remote interior angles, angle A and angle B, because they are far from this C angle. That is why they are called as remote interior angles. So this is the property that exterior angle of a triangle ACD, this is exterior angle, it is equal to sum means total of leave this C, then remaining these two angles, they are called as remote interior angles. It is equal to the total of that remote interior angles. So this is the property of an exterior angle. Remember this, very important. I make it star. Property of an exterior angle says exterior angle is equal to its total of its remote, means which are far from that angle, total of its remote interior angles. So let us start our exercise based on this property. Practice set 21. See, this figure is given to you all children. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC and they have extended this C outside, and that's why we got this exterior angle as ACD. And they have given that the measures of angle A and B are equal. These are the two angle measures A and B, and they are saying they are equal. Okay, but they are not given their measures, they are just saying that their measures are equal. And they have given me that ACD's measure, they have given me that it is how much, 140 degree. Then they are asking find the measures of this angle A and angle B. So we will use the property of exterior angle. Now we know that exterior angle is equal to, leaving this nearest inside C angle, it is equal to the total of its remote interior angles. So we'll use that property. Angle ACD, that is exterior angle, it is equal to the total of sum of its remote interior angles. Leaving this C, inside C you will get this remote interior angles. Measure of A plus measure of angle B. Angle A plus angle B. Why we have taken this? Because we have seen this from property. So we'll write inside the bracket a reason, property of an exterior angle. How we have taken this? Because we have learned the property. Now, so measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Now what is the measure of angle ACD they have given me? How much it is? 140 degree. Now measure of A and B they have not given, but they have said me that A and B are equal. So I'll write measure of angle A as it is. Instead of B I will write it again measure of angle A, because both are equal. In place of A I can write B also. So here A I have taken it same. Instead of B I have taken it here A, because A and B are equal. Right here that angle A is equals to angle B. That is why in place of B I have written as A. Now 140 degree is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle A. It will be 2 measure of angle A. Now 2 measure of angle A is equals to 140. I have just taken it, interchange their places. So measure of angle A we have to find. Measure of angle A I'll keep it as it is, 140. This multiply will 2 will come this side, will become divide. If you divide, 2 sevens are 14 and 0. So measure of angle A I got it 70 degree, and A and B are equal. So if A we got it 70 degree, so B is also automatically 70 degree. So we got both the angles measure. Measure of angle A is 70 degree and B is also 70 degree by using the property of exterior angle. Now let's move to the second sum. Second sum is, they have given us the figure. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. See, some angle, the total there are 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Out of that, they have given me some measures. AOB, they have given me 8y. EOD, they have given me. EOD, they have not given. FOE, they have given me 4y. COD, they have given me 6y. Now, let me find out this remaining 3 angles measure. First of all, with the help of vertically, we have studied vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect like it in cross, if AOB is 8y, opposite to this is DOE. So this is also will be 8y. Now FOE, in place opposite to this is this angle BOC. If this is 4y, this is also 4y. COD, in opposite to this COD is AOF. So if COD is 6y, AOF is also 6y. Now I got these measures, but I don't want y. Actually first I have to find out the value of y. Now how to get the value of y first? Children, see, if this is a straight angle FOC, on this straight line there are these 3 angles forming. Angle AOF, angle AOB and angle BOC. If I add all the 3, you know, on a straight line if we add all the angles, its total is how much? 180 degrees. So I will add these 3 angles for getting the value of y. So let us use the property of this. Now first of all, we will find how we have found out this with the help of vertically opposite angles, that we will find out. Angle AOB, measure of angle AOB is equals to measure of angle EOD. Why they are equal? If AOB was 8y, DOE is also 8y. Reason is vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, FOE was 4y, so BOC is also 4y. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. 4y. Similarly, you will write the same reason, vertically opposite angles. Similarly, this and this. Angle AOF is equals to angle COD. How much it is? 6y, so this one is also 6y. Same reason, vertically opposite angles. Now to get the measure of these angles, we have to take this, consider this straight line. On a straight line, these are the three angles forming, and you know that on a straight line the measure of all the angles will be how much? Its total will be 180. So let us add this all the three angles to get the measure of this y. So measure of angle AOF plus measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. You will write it here, angles forming on a straight line. On a straight line, if all the angles are lying, its total will be how much? 180 degree. Angles forming on a straight line. That's why I have took the total as 180 degree. Out of that, AOF I know how much it is, 6y, plus AOB I know 8y, plus BOC I know it is 4y, is equals to 180 degree. Now all this y, similar terms we can add. 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18y all total is equals to 180 degree. We want to find the value of y, so y is equals to 180 degree. This multiply 18 will come, this side will become divide. 18 ones are 18 and this 0. So y we got as 10 degree. We got only y, but we want the measure of this remaining angles, three angles. So let us find that only. We have taken it here, see, AOB and EOD. Measure of angle AOB is equals to measure of angle EOD is equals to 8y. Means 8 into y value we got. It is how much? 10. So 80 degrees. So AOB and EOD both are how much degree? 80 degree. Similarly, second pair. Measure of angle FOE is equals to measure of angle BOC is equal to how much it is? 4y. So 4 into y value we got is 10. 4 10s are 40 degree. The last pair, measure of angle AOF is equals to measure of angle COD is equals to 6y. 6y means 6 into y value we got 10. So 6 10s is 60 degree. So all the three angles we got it as, one is 80 degree, one is 40 degree and one is 60 degree. So we have completed our question number 2. It is based on vertically opposite angles. Now let us move to our last question of this practice set 21's third one. In the isosceles triangle ABC, children will draw here figure, it is not given. This is one isosceles triangle. Its name is ABC. A and B are equal. They are saying these two angles are of equal measure. ACD is an exterior angle of triangle. So I have to extend from this C, because they are saying ACD is an exterior angle of this isosceles triangle. And some measures they are giving us. The measures of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. So angle ACB means this inside one. They have given me its measure is how much? 3x minus 17 degree. And ACD is the exterior angle. Its measure is how much? 8x plus 10 degree. So they are asking me find these measures also and also find the measures of this A and B. So let us start now. Children, just see here. On this straight line, these are the two adjacent angles. So we know angles, they are forming what? Angles in a linear pair. On a straight line, if two adjacent angles are forming, they are what? Angles in linear pair. And angles in linear pair we have studied, their total is how much? 180 degrees. So angle ACD plus angle ACB, its total will be 180 degree. So measure of angle ACD plus measure of angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because on a straight line these two adjacent angles are forming. They are nothing but they are angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair, their total is always 180 degree. So out of that I know their measures. ACD is 8x plus 10 plus ACB also I know how much? 3x minus 17 is equals to 180 degree. Now let us open the brackets. 8x plus 10 plus 3x minus 17 is equals to 180 degree. Take this like terms. 8x plus 3x will be 11x plus 10 minus 17. Greater number sign minus. 17 minus 10 it will be 7. is equals to 180 degree. So 11x is equals to 180. This minus 7 will go this side, will become plus 7. So 11x is equals to 180 plus 7 will be 187. So x, we want to find value of x. So x equals to 187 divided by 11. If you divide 187 by 11, 11 ones are 11. 7 remaining, take this 7 down, 11 sevens are 77. So we got after dividing as 17. So x value I got 17, but I want to know the value of angles measures. So let us put the value of x in this angles measurement, so we'll get the actual measurement of this angle. So angle ACD was how much? 8x plus 10. So 8 into x value is how much? 17 plus 10. So 17 8s are 8 7s are 56, 8 and 5 13. 136 plus 10. So 136 plus 10 is 146 degree. So ACD we got how much? 146 degree. Now we want ACB also. So measure of angle ACB was how much? 3x minus 17. So here 3 into x value we got 17 plus this, minus this 17. So 17 3 is 51 minus 17. 51 minus 17. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here 4 minus 1 is 3, 34. So measure of angle ACB we got 34 degree. ACD we got, ACB we got. Now they have asked us A and B also. So we will use the property of exterior angle. Measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Why I have taken this? Because we have learned the property of exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Property of an exterior angle. Out of that ACD I know now how much it is, 146 degree. So here I'll write it as 146 degree. And they have told us that their isosceles triangle and A and B are equal. So instead of B I will write again here A, because A and B are equal. So 146 degree is equals to, it will be 2 measure of angle A. So 2 measure of angle A is equals to 146 degree. Measure of angle A is equals to 146 upon this 2. So if you divide, you will get measure of angle A. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 73 degree. If A is 73 degree, B is also 73 degree, because they both are equal. So we got A as 73 degree, B also 73 degree. So we have ended our chapter here, fourth chapter. The next video I will upload chapter number 5th. Till then, practice very well in your book.